Hey, I'm Jordan from Silver Salon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do beach waves with a flat iron. Today I'm going to be using Lanza's Dry Texture Spray, Lanza's Dramatic FX, and Taffy to create this look. I'm going to make a nice tight parting. Whenever you're doing this, the key is to have nice tight partings. They don't have to be perfect, but they need to be tight so it's more organized for you. Okay. Now, whenever you're doing this on all of your hair for the flat iron, you'll start right at the temples. So I'm going to take from right at her temples back and section that out. So you'll be working with all of this hair that's left for now. Make sure you get a nice tight parting. Okay. Since her hair is really clean and really soft, I am going to go ahead and put some of the Dry Texture Spray down through the ends, just to give me a little bit of grip. For long hair, when you're doing this at home, it'll be easier to pull all of your hair in front of you so that you can see what you're working with. And for shorter hair, mainly where you're going to focus on is the sides and the top. You really don't have to mess with the back because it's going to kick and flip naturally anyways. So we're going to take this first section. All of your sections don't have to be the same size. If you're wanting more of a beachy look, you'll want straighter pieces and curlier pieces. I'm going to go with the tail at the top, clamp, spin, spin, and go straight down. I'm going to go with the next section. Same thing. I did a little bit bigger of a section so they're not all uniform curls. Clamp, spin, spin, slide straight down. And all I'm doing right now is just kind of twisting them back together. Since their hair is kind of long, they will kind of separate a little bit. And these last little sections, do the same thing. Tail at the top, clamp, spin, spin, slide all the way down through the ends. Alright, okay, so I've already pulled this top section down and I'm going to continue doing the flat iron curls all the way around. That's actually the same thing I did on the other side, but you can see right at the temples. I'm going to drop this next section down. So she has more hair on this side, so she's parting towards. We're going to cut that in half. We're going to continue doing the exact same thing all the way around. curls that we'll be doing with the flat iron. If you get in here and look, there are a few straight pieces, but that's totally okay since we're going for a beachy look. I'm just going to lightly spray with some of the Dramatic Effects. This is a medium hold hairspray just to help set everything. I'm just going to shake loose the curls. Now I'm going to take about a pea size of the taffy, right on a fingertip. Not much at all is needed. And I'm going to scrunch up to add some more texture in her hair. And there you go. There's the beach waves.